how do you turn a hydronium concentration into a pH? Which reminds us that pH stands for powers of hydrogen. The P stands for powers, the H stands for hydrogen. That's because the pH scale is a logarithmic scale, meaning it's a times 10 scale. Every change in 1 is a change of times 10. So it's not linear, we can use the log scale. So how do you do this? How do you turn a hydrogen concentration into a pH? To do this, your equation here is going to be this. Negative log of the hydronium concentration will equal your pH. Why is it negative? It's negative because in general, most pHs most concentrations are less than 1. We're talking about concentrations that are like 0.1 or 0.01 or 0.001 molar H+. We're talking about concentrations less than 1. So that's why I use the negative, because our powers of 10 are actually going down, and that's going to turn the number around for us here. So the pH, how do you calculate the pH? Take a negative log of the H+, and that'll get you what the negative log of the H+, which is concentration, will get you the pH. For example, let's say you had a 0.2 molar hydrochloric acid solution. So 0.2 molar, we put that 0.2 in here for the H+ concentration, negative log of 0.2, that's going to give us a 0.7 pH. Now if you have a hydroxide and you want to know, turn that into a pH or pOH, you can take negative log of the OH concentration. So again, the P stands for power, OH would be the hydroxide this time instead. So you can turn things into a pOH, a power hydroxide, if you know hydroxide concentration. How are pH and pOH related? pH plus pOH equal 14. And that's a constant. So if you know what the pOH is, you can turn it back into finding the pH.